Alright, language explorers, so let's have a look at today's commonly confused words. So for, and flower. So for, here, number 4, I have 4 left. There are 4 books. I like these 4 cities. Have you seen all 4 films? Okay. Those 4 will know what to do. Those 4 will know what to do. And for, when something is done on its behalf. For, I have a gift for you. I have a gift for you. Do you have something for him? Do you have something for him? You have something for me. Oh. For me, I exercise for a healthy body. I eat well for my own health. She has a gift. No, she has a present for him. She has a present for him. But flower, like this. Flour, yeah, flour. Grounded, plants used for baking. So let's have a look. Like, here we are. Grounded. So you take this and you ground it. And it's flour. Yeah. Turn it into bread. There we are. We put flour in the cake. We can use flour to make a lot of things. Yeah, flour is very useful. Yeah, flour is used in a lot of food. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So these kinds of flours are good for baking, but that kind of flour is not very good for baking with. That kind of flour is not very good, yeah. That flour is better. How cool is that? Yeah. So, for, and flower. Flower. How cool is that? Now, can you use them in a sentence? Can you write them in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.